Myself, JC Satish Babu, Vice President Business from JCA Vizag Port City. JCA is a global leading network of young active citizens. We have come up with a new project called Know Our Member. Are you excited to know our member for this week? Please come.
Hello JCs, this is Satish Babu. Our business promotion Know Your Member we are starting today from Sharma Stores. This is our member store, Sharma Store. This is oldest store in the city and it is established in 1989. So మన మెంబర్ని కలుద్దాం ఒకసారి ప్రొడక్ట్స్ గురించి కూడా మనం డిస్కస్ చేసి బిజినెస్ ప్రమోషన్ విల్ స్టార్ట్ విత్ కమ్. ఇప్పుడు స్టోర్లోకి ఎంటర్ అయ్యా. ఇప్పుడు మీరు చూడొచ్చు స్టోర్లోని ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయో ఇవన్నీ స్పోర్ట్స్ రిలేటెడ్. సో మన మెంబర్ కాదని వెళ్తున్నాం ప్లీజ్. సో నౌ అవర్ మెంబర్ శర్మ గారు అండ్ అవర్ ప్రెసిడెంట్. సో శర్మ గారు ఇప్పుడు మన స్టోర్లోని ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి ప్రొడక్ట్స్ ఏంటి మనకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు సార్.
This is Ashwin Sharma from Vizag Port City. We are dealers of sports and fitness equipments. We deal in all types of sports equipments, cricket bats, TT rackets, badminton, tennis. Apart from this, we are dealers of sportswear. We deal in swimming. Our swimming trophies store is on the first floor, and we have a fitness equipment store also, which is situated in the next lane. And we actually cater to all the institutions, also educational institutions as well. We cater to educational institutions as well. And apart from educational institutions, we need a connect to all the sports coaches or physical trainers of schools or any educational things. You can also connect me to gym coaches or gyms for any fitness.
Yeah, now you have all seen what the store is, but once we look at what are the items we have. Sharma sir, what are the items we are actually offering to the customers? Which sports?
We are dealers of almost all the sports and games items. For all the sports we are dealers, and we deal in only branded and prestigious brands. We deal in SS, SG, Adidas. All these are the brands which are used by professionals. In badminton you can say Winning, Yonex. All the in balls, volleyballs, footballs we deal in Costco, Nivea. We are dealers for we deal only in branded equipments. Apart from this, we are dealing in Aerofit fitness equipments, which is the leading fitness brand in India. Yeah, they are catering the best equipments and providing the best services. So,
can you number it, sir? How many types of dealers you have? Any number?
Approximately we have about 50 to 60 brands we are dealing, all the leading.
Yo, super.
Yeah.
See our JCs, we have a huge store here in Vizag. This is the oldest store and we have our JCA member. So please do visit our store and encourage our member. Any other? And we have seen a wide range of collections in first floor. Just watch this entire store. Please come. Yes, beautiful sir. So tell me about this sir, one sec.
Yeah, in this store we are having all the swimwear and swimming equipment. We have trophies. All these are trophies. Yeah, and apart from this, we have all the sports shoes for all the games. Be it jogging, running, badminton, tennis, cricket, all the shoes for all the games are available with us. Yeah, you can have a look at this. This is all women's swimming range. These are swimming equipment, wide range and always changing new models and trophies are always added to the store.
This is the third store. Just now you have seen the items. Now you have a wide range of collection of see this fitness center. tell me about this store? We are seeing every fitness item. So this is very useful to our members. So can you elaborate anything?
Yeah. We have motorized treadmills, we have exercise cycles, we have army tracks, we have benches, whatnot. Each and every equipment is available with us. This is one store, and we have another floor on upstairs where we have recommend bikes, cross trainers, each and every fitness equipment, everything related to fitness is available with us. So anyone has, I hope everyone needs in this today's life, which is stressful, everyone requires fitness. So maybe this will be useful to most of the members.
Yes, yes. Now you have seen our Sharma Sir's showroom. We have seen 3 showrooms. That is means sports items, fitness items. Now every JC can buy all the sports items related any sports here.
I will be giving you with the best of.
So dear JCs, under Impact 2030 we have a goal about fitness. So you can come to this store and purchase all the fitness items available here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, JCs.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And he is from Vizag Port City. Definitely will get good discount to us. So please do visit.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.